Hello everyone, today we are gonna build Plains Villager House 3. Whoa! Okay, let's get building. So first, get your oak log. Next, place 4 oak logs 3 blocks apart. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, build 3 blocks high. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Next, get your cobblestone. Then build in the 3 block areas. Next, build up all the way there. Fill it up there. And on 3 sides, do like this. And on 3 sides, do this, like that. And then for the front, do this, and that, because this is where the door will be. Next, place the oak stairs here, the door. Next, get your oak planks. Place the oak planks in the holes here. Next, get your oak log again. Place them in the corners like this. Next, get your glass. And then cover up the holes here. Then, we go outside. Get your oak planks again. Continue. Cover the top like this. Then, you get your oak stairs. And cover the walls like this, I guess. Like that. Then you put stairs on top of the oak planks this time. Top of the oak planks like this. Like that. Then get your oak planks again. Fill in all of these ones. Leave a hole in the middle. Then put your stairs in a circular pattern again. Then get your oak planks, cover in the top. Get your torch, put your torch there, going inside. Then put your torch there. And then you can add whatever furniture you want. But I'll just pick a random bed there. Place the bed there. And then there you have your average villager house, Plains Villager House 3. Yeah, there. And if you want, you can place furniture like that, but I recommend you do so. But yeah, I'll just place a stair there for now. And then that's Villager House 3. Yeah. See you next time, guys, and I hope you have a fun time watching this video. So, goodbye.